Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making an Asian style beef and mushroom. This is a very quick and easy stir fry recipe that I'm going to share with you, and it's going to go great for those nights after school where you really want a quick meal that is homemade and tastes amazing. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need half a cup of low sodium soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 cloves of garlic minced, half a teaspoon of fresh ginger minced, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 10 ounces of snow peas or sugar snap peas that have been blanched, 10 ounces of sliced mushrooms, and 1 pound of beef sliced thin. I'm using a sirloin steak. First things we're going to do is start on our sauce. We're going to mix together our low sodium soy, our vinegar, and our brown sugar and get this mixed up. We want that brown sugar to be completely dissolved. Now we're going to set this aside and head over to the stove. We're going to start by heating up a few tablespoons of oil. We want to go with a high smoking point oil like vegetable oil or canola oil, not an olive oil. We're going to get this heated up inside our wok. If you don't have a wok, you can use a nice big saute pan, but I do recommend that you buy yourself a wok. The wok is really hot, so we want to be careful. We're going to add in our mushrooms and we're going to saute these up for about 5 minutes. The mushrooms have taken on some nice color. Now if you're in a wok, we can push these right up to the side. They're going to cook a little bit slower than normal. If you're in a pan, we're going to take them out. Now we're going to carefully add in our thinly sliced beef. Be careful. We're going to cook this up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now we're going to go in with our ginger and our garlic. Once our beef starts taking on color, we're going to saute this up for about another minute. Once you can really start to smell the garlic and the ginger, we're going to go in with our snow peas. We're going to just reheat these. It's going to take about 30 seconds. Then in with our sauce. We're going to reduce this till it's all nice and covered in a thick glaze. All right, we're going to plate this up. Just going to throw it right onto our plate and pile it nice and high. You can serve this with white rice, fried rice, maybe even a noodle of some sort. This makes a lot and it's going to feed a family. And it looks amazing, and we made it in a few minutes. Now let's get a taste. Alright, let's get a bite. I'm going to try to get a composed bite of the mushrooms, the snap peas, and the beef all at once. Well, guess not. Alright. The beef is nice and tender. It's got a nice crispiness on the outside from us cooking it at a high temp. The snap peas are amazing. The mushrooms are perfectly cooked. The sauce is the star of the dish. It really complements all the other flavors. It's got a little sweetness, a little saltiness, a little bit of a tang from the vinegar and the soy sauce. This truly is a quick, easy dinner. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. New to the channel, subscribe. You can also check out my outdoor channel. I'll drop a link in the description below. We also have a Patreon account if you'd wish to support the channel, and I greatly appreciate that. We'll see you guys in the next one.